So, good morning from Lviv. Tanya went home last night. It's now 10 to 7 in the morning. The lights have just gone off. I've been here for about half an hour trying to film some trams, but sadly at this time of morning there's not many around. I've got a shot set up right now, just waiting for a tram to come through, but it's not really giving me the effect I'd hoped for. You can see the camera set up here. Now that the lights are off, it's actually kind of lost a lot of its drama and the beauty of the blue hour that I was looking for. The problem with shooting it in the evening, hang on one second, here comes a tram. Let me just get the camera firing. I'm hoping that the sort of yellows lighting of the tram will help punch out of this blue hour. I've actually set the white balance a little bit towards the blue just to give that blue hour effect, and I'm shooting in F-log, and here comes the tram now. As you can see, I was hoping to get it on that little corner there, which makes it look quite interesting. There should be trams coming up as well. I'm just not sure how often they're running at this time of morning. Obviously their frequency will increase as the morning goes on, but then so will the number of people in the city as well, so kind of ruin the shot. But I'm going to hang around here and see what I can get. So that setup with the long lens has worked really well. Still obviously very grey and rainy, and it's quite handy having the long lens with the long lens hood on, because it's protecting the front element from the rain. With my 18 to 55 I was getting a lot of water on the actual lens itself. So this is the setup I have now, and I'm shooting up the hill. It's set to around about 100 on the 55 to 200mm, and it's got also ISO of around 1600. The aperture is wide open, and of course I'm shooting at 1/50th of a second. The reason for that is that we're in Europe and we have lights on, and those lights flicker at 50 hertz, so you need to match your shutter speed to the hertz of the lighting. If I was to use a shutter speed of 60th, I would get some sort of flickering going on. The tripod I've got with me today is my lightweight Manfrotto B Live, which I bought a couple of years ago and I absolutely hate. The only advantage it has is it's relatively small and it's very easy to carry around. I also have a larger carbon fibre Manfrotto C055, which is a much better tripod, but when I'm carrying that and the gimbal, several lenses, the camera, a monitor, it gets really heavy. So I'd rather take the B Live and I stick a gimbal on the top of it. The actual video head is really quite appalling on the B Live video, but if I stick a gimbal on the top of the actual tripod, I can get some really good cinematic moves by using a combination of the pan and tilt head and the actual gimbal as well at the same time.